Hey there, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be using Android to run on your PC to be able to log into your control4 system and operate your home from any computer. So what you'll do is you'll go to BlueStacks.com. And you're going to download BlueStacks. Once you download it, it's going to just go ahead and open it and run it. And this is basically what it's going to look like when you open it up. It takes a little bit of time to load. And basically all you're doing here is using Android on a Windows-based PC. So it's just kind of a workaround. So you'll go to basically you'll go to the Play Store. You'll search for control4. And then just open control4, and once you do that, it will look like this. Once you open it up, basically mine's going to log into the system that I have on it, but basically what it will be is it will pop up and ask for your email and log in for your control4 system. So basically you'll put your email and your password in for control4, and what it will look like basically is and it's pretty normal for it to take a second or two to load. Once it loads, you can use the app just like you use on your phone. Should be pretty simple to use. So that's pretty much it.